Okay, so you've just done your oil service. You want to reset the oil service interval. How do you do that? Well, it's dead easy. You need your ignition. You need your ignition key, or in this car, it's a start-stop. And it works exactly the same way, keyless or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's exactly the same thing. Don't press the clutch because it'll start the engine. So you're literally just using the ignition, and we're using this trip reset button. So you want to press the trip reset first, then put your ignition on. Oil service reset, yes. Reset, done. Ignition off, and then if we put our ignition back on again, it just tells me the bonnet's open, which I've not shut, and that's it. The service light is reset, and that's it. Nice and easy. So that's it for today. Nice short video. Hopefully you found the video useful, and I will keep uploading new stuff as and when I kind of get to it. So yeah, drop us a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you soon.
In the garage under the bright light, Slick Rick's got the tools ready to ignite. With a wrench in hand, he shares his know-how. Teaching the world, come on, let's get it now. Oil changes, brakes, and mufflers too. He's breaking it down, showing what to do.